Good morning, good day. I hope you're having a wonderful start to your day. I'm having a late morning breakfast. Food is always a good idea, and before I take my siesta, I'm gonna put something in the Instant Pot. The Instant Pot has become a good friend of mine. I don't know how long this will last. Let's see. What I'm gonna be preparing is pig's tail, and these are some of the ingredients I have. So for liquid, you can use broth to cook it, but I'm gonna use Modelo Cerveza, a beer. I have scallion, garlic, onion, anise, sugar, pepper, garlic, soy sauce, and the pig's tail. This was clean and as best as possible, and I'm gonna show you how I prepare this. I'm gonna put everything in the Instant Pot and leave it for a couple hours, and we come and check on it. So let's get into it. So we are going to go in with our aromatics. It doesn't matter what order, and everything is rough chopped. Ginger, onion, the anise. I'm going in with the pepper and garlic, the sugar, the soy sauce, the pig's tail. And we're going in with our beer. Oh, let me take you in this journey. We're just using 1 bottle of beer, and usually we want to have everything covered up. So I'm gonna go in with half cup of water. This is the half cup of water I'm pouring in. It's still not covered up, but it doesn't matter. The steam and everything is gonna bring everything down. I'm just gently mixing everything together. We are going to cover this and leave it for an hour and 10 minutes. 1 hour and 10 minutes, maybe 15. So we're gonna leave this for an hour and 15 minutes, and then we come back and check on it. And if we add, I haven't added salt to it, but I like to add salt at the end, or salt as I check on it, but I'm always adding salt at the end. And I'll take you through this process. I'm gonna clean up and then take a rest. And that's it. So in Jamaica we have a recipe called stew peas, and this is prepared with herbs, coconut milk, and kidney beans. This one I didn't use any coconut milk, I didn't use any kidney beans, and I cooked I'm cooking the pig's tail with things that are not traditionally used to cook pig's tail, like the ginger and the star anise, soy sauce, and beer. And so that's a little fun fact there in comparison to what I'm currently cooking in relation to the authentic traditional pig's tail called Jamaican stew peas. So I thought I'd just share that. Excuse me, I just drank this bottle of Don't worry. Next year, as we go into the new year, I will be eating like a monk. I'll be eating monk food. I think I can make that promise. No meat, no alcohol. Let's see how that goes. I'm gonna take a break and come back in an hour and 10 minutes when this goes off. See you in a bit. The pot just stopped, so we're going to check on this a bit and see. We're gonna release the air from the valve. Ooh. So I've released the valve. I'm gonna check on. Come and check this out. Ooh. Steamy McDreamy. So we are going to check on the part. It smells so good. I wish you could smell this. We're gonna taste this and see. Well, we need to add salt to it because I didn't add salt earlier. Not bad. I'm gonna add salt to it. So I'm gonna add some sea salt. And I am going to cover this. And let this stay for 30 minutes. We're gonna put it on saute so the sauce gets thicker. And we should be good to go. So we're gonna let this stay for 30 minutes and come back and check on it and see what's up. And this will be served with veggies and potatoes. So we're gonna do another taste test. Whoopsie! Another taste test. Hopefully this is not ginger I'm biting into. Okay, good. It's so good. It's not very spicy though. But it's smoky from this. Somehow it has a smoky texture. This will be served with potato and veggies. This is what we have for this afternoon's dinner. Pig's tail that we're having last, melon and tahini, roast veggies, potato and seaweed with sesame, and this is what we're gonna use for the tacos, like a taco wrap. Veggie, provecho. a wonderful meal. I am going for a walk with the monstro. With the monstro. I'm taking him to the park. So he can be tired and go to bed. We are now that neighbor that has the dog going roof, 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 roof. Terrible. I'm super excited to go inside the park. Hey, just got back home from my evening walk with the doggy, and I'm about to have a cinnamon roll and ginger tea, and then I'm gonna wind down for the rest of the evening. Thank you for watching. Stay positive, think and possibilities, and see you in the next video. Bye.